Kind of not sure. Okay, we're coming up to a T-junction. So I think this is maybe the end of the top road or something. Of coming around, or I'm not quite sure. So let's see where we are. Got another spit and spot of rain. But not too. I don't want to go to Zeerust. No, I do. Where do I want to go? N4 to Zeerust. Yes, I do. Zeerust. Where's Groot Mariku? Rustenburg is that way. So I'm on the N4 now. So I did N4 Zeerust. Swartruggens. I thought I was in Swartruggens. But Zeerust is right, because Skilpadshek is the gate. Have I missed Groot Mariku? Swartruggens Hospital. Oh, now I'm in Swartruggens now, because I was going from Koster to Swartruggens, which is exactly where I want to be. There's a Groot Kerk over there, so this is Fair Town. On the N4. Yeah, I think Koster is not on the N4, it's a bit off, so that's why I went through it, the actual town. Okay, I think I'm okay. Môre Swartruggens. I don't think I'll stop. I've done 183k, so I'm fine for petrol. Let's slow down. What I'm keen to see is a sign for Groot Mariku, which is the next town after this. Zeerust is after Groot Mariku, as far as I remember. Right, there's a green signboard coming up. Carl, can you see it yet? Can you make it out? Zoom in on your YouTube. Who's taking a bet? Wimpy. Right, then we're definitely in an established town. I wouldn't mind a wimpy breakfast at the moment. I'm getting a slight bit peckish. Zeerust. Ventersdorp. Oh, I think I'm right. Zeerust. My word. Well, someone's going shopping. Thursday shopping. Oh, slow to a stop. Gonna ask if I go past the petrol store, just check. Second gear, not good to pull out. Piet is doing a U-turn. Oh, Piet's gonna want to reverse. Piet is through his turn. Hallo meneer. Groot Mariku.
Ja, goed.
Dat way. Dankie.
Hm?
Okay, hoe ver? Okay, dankie né. Dankie né. Tada. Oh, sorry. Alright, so I'm on the right way. He said toll gate. It's not so lekker. I think, no, it's still... Alright, we'll see you later.